The historical place I'm going to talk about is the city of Cartagena de Indias is also known as the Amurallada City, a city with a tropical, sunny, and rainy climate. Is located in the north of Colombia in the department of Bolívar. This city is important because it is has been declared both a national heritage of Colombia and a World Heritage Site. The reason why we go to talk about the city is because of this interesting and historical place, and also because of the Caribbean Sea. In the city, there are museums, historical buildings, beaches, squares. We can find the Palace of the Inquisition, the Senur War Museum, and the Museum of Modern Art, also the square of the cars, the present tour of the colonial houses, etc. The activities you can do there are diving, surfing, bus tours, trains, or boat excursion, where you can visit nearby islands and eat seafood. Final words like it. The most about the city is she is Susan on the beach, and uh, what I don't like is that most things are expensive. Thank you.